It's brilliant to see when you look around you, all the items in the shop here may otherwise have ended up in a skip on the recycling centre.
We find a nice balance between us making a little bit of money, but also being nice and cheap for the customer. It's a real ladder's cave here. People can come and go away with a proper bargain.
So the shop was first established in around 2011. And since then it's grown in popularity and in size at the same time. So we now sell clothes, electrical goods, bicycles, exercise equipment, you name it, you can find it here. Most of the items we have for sale on the shop floor are donated to us directly by residents now. We've seen a change in attitudes and behaviour there, certainly. You can also get some really unique pre-loved items, which is brilliant to rehome. In 2025, we estimate, modestly, that we diverted 300 tonnes of items from the waste stream, which is no mean feat. One of the main focuses of the shop is to reduce waste, but also it's to allow residents who may otherwise have difficulty buying items at full price to buy them here at a much cheaper price instead. So that's an important sort of community benefit to the shop, and we see it every day. Those people come in here and they're ever so thankful and grateful, and our team are really, it's really rewarding for them to see that, to get that feedback, and to know that we're making that difference as well. So that's always great.